Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. As you all know, I'm always here to give you updates that will ease your transactions, that will help you get free tokens and a lot of things. But this time around is about Fluid Finance, which is one of the arbitrage exchange we've been using for a while now. And I noticed the major challenge everyone has been facing is about the pending transactions, which I believe what I just got now is one of the best way you can get your issues resolved. So what is it that you need to do? This is exactly what you need to do. Let me show you. You need to go to Fluid Finance Telegram page. Once you go there, let me show you. This is it. This is their Telegram handle. This is their channel. So once you come to the channel, the first thing I expect you to do is open the channel section. Go here, look for the admin. Yeah, you can see these are the admins. This is Henna, this is Jeff, this is David M. So you can just say David M or Jeff. Just tag it at David M. Yeah, this is the name. Anytime you have any pending issue, just even if possible, tag all the three admins there. Let them know that you have pending issues, pending transaction that is here to drop for hours. Don't even let it wait for hours. If it's taking 1 hour, for example, just come to the Telegram channel like this, copy the admins, tell them what your problem is. Once you do that, they whatever it is they ask you to provide it immediately. Trust me, immediately you do all they ask you to do, within 30 minutes your $20 will drop immediately, or whichever amount it is you made on the page. Just do that, trust me, you get your funds ready immediately. So to be very very honest, all those issues that all of us are some of you guys have been going to a Play Store to go and rate them bad, it's not okay. Doing this means we are trying to block our own means of making stuff for ourselves. This time around, it's not the CBN that is our problem now, it's ourselves. So this is just all you need to do for you to get your funds to drop immediately. So please just do this and stop all the Google Play Store stunts. That won't help us. So please just do this and you get your funds immediately. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Just take care of yourself. Within the next 1 hour from dropping this video, or 30 minutes, I'll drop a video on how to send your tokens from what is it called, from Fluid Finance to Binance. How all the procedures you need to take for you to get it to go to Binance. I'll be dropping it in my next video, so watch out for the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also turn on notification. Also share with your friends and family.